Here, I'll show you. We already switched both of them out, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it anyways. It's pretty simple. This is your dash. So if you come up under, you're gonna see that rubber piece right there with the 2 wires. Literally all you gotta do is just pull on it, and I already have this one out to show you guys. This is what it's gonna look like. I already have my LEDs in on this one as well, but it's that same piece right there that goes. So to put it back, it's gonna be the same thing as like anything. You're just gonna push it in as much as you can. Make sure it's directed the right way. There's like a lineup so that you know. And to pull it out, it's literally like, and then try not to tug on the wires too much so that they don't rip, but you'll feel it once it's done. You don't have to take the dash apart. I did that because I'm switching out my regular lights to LEDs. But yeah, honestly, if you do want to take it out though, it's just gonna be this one bolt that goes right in the middle right here. And then, so once you get that out, there's 2 pieces right here, this one and that one. Those go into those rubber grommets or whatever they're called. You literally just pull it out. Don't be scared, it won't break. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. The bulb, taking it out, at least for these corner ones, or even the main headlight one, the low beam. I haven't done the low beam yet. I still have to order those. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Comment below, and I'll help you guys out.